Hi friends, in this video you will be seeing how to edit formulas in Word. Generally when you have a Word document and when you copy from PDF to Word, you will not be able to edit the formulas. But here you will see how you can edit or write the formulas in Word using a small trick. Showing you here I have a Word document for our understanding purpose. um, you can just see here. Yep. So these are the formulas. These are not on a editable way, so I want to edit these formulas or write some formulas. So how can I do uh, easily, right? So let me try to insert some space and try to create something similar to this and write it. For this, in Word, it doesn't have anything like you can input the formulas. The simplest trick is you go to the Windows, type Math Input Panel. So you can see here there is something like writing tool like a notepad, wherein you can start inputting whatever you would like to write. So I want to write this particular thing, so I'll start writing P R. You can see here it is coming like this. Later you can change it, don't worry. Open bracket X. Suppose this thing is not coming the way that you wanted, so you can start selecting this particular thing and say click like this, left parenthesis. We will see how to edit it later. So X, lesser symbol, M, modulus of X greater than Z, close the bracket. See, now it has changed, is equals to M minus Z divided by 1 minus Z. So now you have the more or less the things that you require in this particular thing. So we can just go and say wherever you want, you can say insert. So once I do the once I select the place and say insert, this get inserted here. And now we can do the small changes that suppose you feel that this particular expression especially, you can put like this, x greater than Z, and you can start removing this thing. So and if you want to make it as a R, you can write it R. So more or less now you have the editable formula of the same thing. This is how you can quickly convert any formulas that are there that you have copied from PDF, and you want to edit those formulas in Word. You can do it in similar fashion. Suppose like you can start using Sigma. Wait, let me show you the thing. Math Input Panel. Suppose like I want the sum of this thing. You can see this shows the Sigma here, right? So you can do various things. Suppose if I want to add some theta here, see here? So things manifest as per our requirements, and you can use the undo tool to remove the things that you don't like, or if you can use the select tool and erase a certain portion of the thing, or you want to write any further things, there are so many options here. You can check out and do as you like. For now, this is my intent of creating this particular video to show you how to edit the image formulas and make a editable formulas in Word and replace it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. You'll be getting many more such videos wherein you can quickly do the things. And stay tuned, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.